Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome to At Home with Sal. For today's video, this is the first series of our spring cleaning edition for 2024, and we are going to start with my kitchen, especially on how to decorate above our kitchen cabinets. I know this is not pretty typical. Not everybody decorate their above kitchen cabinet, and it just happened that I have a 9-foot ceiling in this house, and I always like to decorate or put some decor up there. So if you have the space above your kitchen cabinet and you would like to try these ideas for spring, let's go ahead and decorate together. Before we start, I'm going to do some cleaning up there, some dusting, and then we're gonna put our decorations. Before we start putting up our decorations above our kitchen cabinet, I just wanted to show you real quick the decorations that I'm going to be putting up there, so you can have the up close and personal look. So I have this boxwood. This is the artificial boxwood that I purchased from Walmart, and it's by Better Homes and Gardens. I believe I paid $15 on each of these. I have 4, and right over here, these are it's like a centerpiece that I made with different kind of flowers, artificial flowers that I purchased from, I believe, Hobby Lobby, and maybe a few of those are from Michael's. Another floral arrangement here. Some magnolia. I created some different kinds of roses. I just love the looks and the color combinations of each arrangements. And right here, guys, I'm gonna be using this to elevate our decor. I have the mossy green bunnies. I have 3, and I purchased this from Home Goods, I think last year. And they're so cute and kind of heavy. I also have this blue and white chinoiserie jar, and let's see how is it going to look like up there. First, I put the artificial boxwood planter on each side corner to balance the look, and then we will lay down one of the mossy green bunny. Again, this is optional according to your taste of decor. You can use some birds instead of bunnies, or whichever you like. And now we're going to work on this side above the kitchen cabinet. Let's place our blue and white chinoiserie jar and then our floral arrangement. Then don't forget the mossy green bunny. As you can see, I place our decor on this side into groupings. Let us try to avoid putting up tiny decor pieces as it will look cluttered. Let's continue by placing these big floral arrangements that I created using some of the artificial flowers. Finally, I continue the same pattern at the ends of the kitchen cabinets with the same items that I laid out earlier to balance everything. Try to mirror colors, textures, and shapes so that the design feels so cohesive. So here we go, guys. I would like to show you the before look of above kitchen cabinet just before we put up our decorations. As you can see, it looks empty and sad. Here we go. This is the after result as we turned it into spring vibes, and it doesn't look sad anymore. What do you think? I am loving the cozy modern farmhouse minimalist neutral look right now. That's it for today, guys. I hope these decorating ideas will inspire and motivate you this spring season. Stay tuned on my next video. Bye for now.